channel, and I'm Nora Crystal. Oh my god, guys, look! Halloween Iceland is so cool. Oh my god, what a creepy spooky day in the fall times. Okay guys, so today I am going to making a mega turtle. Ta-da! So I make it all to the Lumiouses and then make it to the mega. The mega. Okay, so before I go into making a mega neon dog, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's getting started right now. Ooh, someone have a cool shadow. Oh, oof, I mean, be cool. But I think before I go to making a mega turtle, I have to play a game. Don't wait. Huh? Why the game is end so fast? Oh no, I get only a little candy. But it's okay. Let's head to making a mega. I don't have a right potion, but you can look for it. Also, I love this drake. Oh my god. How so adorable. Oh my god. So let's take out Orita Blue. Oh, she's so adorable. I mean Blueberry. And my username Roblox is Blueberry Shiny, so don't forget my username when you see me. I'm going to give you some free pets. And also, I hope you guys said something as you want, but don't say something bad, please. Okay, so now we are in the neon cave. I love the old castle up there. It's so cool. Okay, hello Nixie. Fairy Nixie. Okay, so Blue, go ahead. Oh my god, I never make a mega tag before. Oh my god, Orita Blue, go to the green way. OMG, and Clara Star Blue Charmy, go ahead right there. And the last one, Bluey. Oh my god, Bluey. Are you ready for going to be the mega? Oh, okay. Of course, why not? Okay, Bluey. Oh my god, are you really excited? I am the one that excited a lot. Oh my god, let's see what it looks like. 3, 2, 1, go it! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. OMG, oh my god. You turned to the rainbow dog. I'll call you the rainbow. I call you the Rainbow Bluey. Rainbow Bluey. Bluey. Yep, Rainbow Bluey. Is that a cool name? Yeah, it's not Chuck. Okay. What a adorable Rainbow Bluey. Oh my god. And also I think next video I'm going to making this guys to the neon. Also this floor. Also I try a neon cat. And appreciate for Red Panda and this also making a neon is going to look so adorable. Pretty awesome. And now let's see what people observe it. Okay, that's how we go. We have to go fast to see what people treat us. My god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm gonna set trading mega dog. Trading mega dog. It's so retarded. Look at him. He's so shiny. Everyone have observed for mega dog? Everyone? Why you're quiet? Please. one have lobster? Come on, no one. Let me try to get the parrot. The parrot. The parrot. And I don't think I don't wanna trade this mega doll. I wanna keep it because I love common pet. I just see what people observe. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to click the support button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below. And that's what I make a mega turtle. Making a mega dog. The mega dog. Am I supposed to get the parrot? I don't know what call this. I replace this to this one, so I think she's going to be like the straight. I don't know, girl or boy. Exactly, just do the trait. Aww, it's okay. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye! I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you guys want to chance one more, make sure to go to my channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button to Nora Crusher channel. And also, please watch this whole video. It's so fun. And see you guys in the next video. Till the end. Bye. I love you guys so much as a fan. And if I have a lot of fans, I am going to make a something cool name. So bye. See you guys in the next video.